Welcome to the Narrow Workshop.
We live in a place where there's a lot of snow in the winter. Some years ago we had to replace the roof to prevent damage from leaks. As the angle of the roof is 49 degrees, we had constant avalanches from the roof. To prevent these avalanches we have mounted snow guards, which shows a system that evenly distributes the weight of the snow to the whole area of the roof. Some parts of the house is very high above the ground. I had to do some painting, so we rented a lift. I then mounted the first snow guards using the lift. But for the rest of the roof I used my climbing gear when fitting the snow guards. The manufacturer provides a calculator on their website that recommends a pattern for where to place the guards. It's very easy to place the guards. Do you see how gracefully I move around on the roof? Almost as elegant as a cat. I do have some experience from when I spent almost all free time climbing, so do not fear for my safety. Along the roof valley gutters there must be guards on each stone. I must say, for an old climber there is a special feeling when gearing up. The memory of the expectations for the climb and the feeling of adrenaline rush comes back to mind. So many good memories with old friends. is important to always have 2 anchor points. I'm stretching the rope across the roof so I can use it as a sliding anchor for the rope that goes over the rooftop. To safely clip into the rope, I turn one of the carabiner the opposite direction of the other. But first I must replace one stone that got broken. The roofers that replaced the roof mounted a snow fence over the entrance door, as I was shoveling snow from the stairs. Some snow fell from the roof from under the snow fence. I almost got my neck filled with snow. So I mounted some snow guards on the first row of stones. Problem solved. I must say that the snow guards was a success. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See ya!